dear students, welcome to Gurudeva online classes. Dear student, in previous class I gave some examples related to compound interest and interest. Now I am going to solve exercise 8.3 first question. Exercise 8.3 first main I am taking here. First question, calculate the amount and compound interest on first one $10,800 for 3 years. For 3 years at 12 wall 1/2% per annum compounded annually. Let us see here first question. Okay, dear student, let us see calculate the amount and compound interest on first question 10,800 for 3 years at 12 whole 1/2% per annum. We have to find it here compounded annually. Dear student, we know the formula A is equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. By using this formula, we have to find out here compound interest annually. Okay, let us see solution here. Given here P, that is the 10,800, and T given 3 years, R given that is 12 whole 1/2%. Now we know the formula A is equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Now P, that is the 10,000. P, that is the 10,800. Okay, 10,800. 1 plus R, that is the 12 whole 1/2. When you converting as a improper fraction, see 12 into 2, 24 plus 1, 25/2. Okay, 25/2%. Now 25/2 into 100. N, that is given here 3 years. Okay. Now 10,800 when you multiply here, see here 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 twos are 8. 8 into 1, 8 plus 1, 9 pi, 4 twos are 8, and n, that is a 3 year. Okay, 3 year. Now here we can write 10,800. We have to multiply here 9 total 3 times. Now 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, remaining here 2, here 8. 4 sevens are 28, remaining 2 0 we have to keep here. Now again 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, remaining 1, here 0, 2 fives are 10, remaining 0. Okay, here next again you cancel here 2 fours are 8, again 2 sixes are 12, remaining 1 and 5, 2 sevens are 14, remaining 1 0, 2 5s are 10. Completely cancel here. Now we got here 675 into 9 into 9 into 9 by by 4 and 8. Now when you multiply here 9 into 9, 81, 81 into 9 are 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. Okay, now we multiply here 675 into 729 and 8 fours are, we are getting here 32. Again you multiply here, we are getting here 4,92,075 by 32. Okay, again you do cancel. Now I am doing here cancel. 32, 4,92,075. Now 32 ones are 32. Remaining 7 here 1. Again 2. 32 fives are 160. Okay, here 2, here 1, here 0. Next again 0. Again 32 into 3s are 96. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 4, here 2. Okay, next again you take here 7. 32 into 7s are, you will getting here 224. Okay, when you doing the subtraction here, you will getting here 3, here 2. Okay, again you take here 5. Again 32 into 7s are 224. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 1, here 1. You take here point, you will getting here 110. Now 32 into 3s are 96. When you doing the subtraction, you will getting here 14. Now again you take here, multiply here 32 into 4s are 140, 128. When you do the subtraction, you will getting here 2, 1, 120. Okay, we got here 15,377.34. That is the 15,377.34. Now this is the amount. Now we have to find out here compound interest. To find out the compound interest, we have to do here subtraction from 15,377.34 minus 10,800. Okay, let us see here. I will find out here compound interest. Now compound interest, A minus P. Okay, A amount that is the 15,377.34 minus principal that is the 10,800. When you do the subtraction, you will getting here 4,577.34. Okay, hence we write here, amount is 15,377.34 and compound interest that is 4,577.34. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, this one next I am taking the second one question in first main. Here second one here 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% per annum. We have to find out here compounded annually. Now dear student, in this question I am finding here first compound interest for 2 years. After that I will find here for half years the simple interest. Okay, see here solution given P is 18,000 and T that is 2.5 years and R that is given here 10%. We have to find out here compounded annually. Okay, let us see here the amount for 2 years. 2 years. Okay, we know the formula. A is equal to P in the bracket 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. P, that is the 18,000. 1 plus R, that is the 10% by 100. N, that is the 2 year. Now 18,000, 100 into 1 is 100 plus 10, 110 by 100 whole to the power of 2. 18,000 we have to multiply here 2 times. Okay, 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. Okay, here 20 get cancelled. Here 10 get cancelled and 00 get cancelled. Remaining here 18 into 110 into 11. When you multiply here 18 into 110 into 11. Now 1 0 0 1 1 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Here 1 0 0 1 into 1 is 1 1 0 1 2 1. Again you multiply with 18. Here 8 into 0 0 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 1 is 8, 9. Okay. Again 0 1 is 0, 1 1 is 1, 2 1 is 2, 1 1 is 1. 0 8 7 11 here 2. Okay, 21,780. 21,780. Okay, this is the amount. Now we have to find out here compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. We have to do here subtraction from the amount. Principal we have to do subtraction here. Now principal, that is 21,780 minus principal, that is 18,000. Okay, when you do the subtraction you will get in here 3,780. This is the compound interest. Okay, next we have to find out here for half year. We have to find out here simple interest. Okay, now simple interest for half year. Half year. You know the formula PTR by 100. Principal, that is principal I am taking here, see 21,780. After 2 years I am taking here principal 21,780. 21,780 into time I am taking here half. Okay, half means 1 by 2 into rate 10%. Okay, now 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Now we divide, we cancel by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20, again 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, completely cancelled. When you multiply here 1089 into 1, you will get in here 1089. This is the simple interest for half year. Okay. Now you add here total compound interest. Now you add here total compound interest. Compound interest. You add here these two. 3,780 plus 1,089. When you adding, you will getting here 4,069. Okay. Next amount. Amount you add here 21,780 plus compound interest. Okay. Now when you adding 21,780 plus 4,869, you will get here 22,869. This is the total amount at the end of the year, 2.5 years. Hence we can write here, hence the amount is 22,869 and compound interest is 4,869. This is the solution.